Welcome to Remote Village Guide channel. I made this video to clarify my channel that this channel is really belong to me. All the songs in my channel are my own composition. All the videos were made by the mobile apps which are available in the Play Store. But still my channel is falling under the reuse contents. Tenga try gani kadai katkum kijing lap junga ngalayo I ba kidon ki parlok ki ba upload ki jing roi junga ki channel jongki. Tes ngubahanga kerpat ya pi ba pin ya ba pinum le kum ne nama kalong ke bom song tenat te tang katai ke jing kerpat jonga lara pi kwa ka trak ngan sasu ai ka trak te sayar wai hi pi le ka ba piman dan reis ngubaha ban wen ya ke jing roi ka ba original na ka jonga hi kuble sibon